Okay, I need a horn. I guess in Texas where this truck comes, they don't need horns to pass inspection, but I do. But I don't want to put a normal horn on this, so I'm going to install this. And I don't know, I thought this is sort of a loud truck in some ways, really gets attention. And I figured I'd put kind of a cool horn on it. So, but yeah, I'm going to install it, and you guys tell me what you think. Okay, so there's tons of room in here. You know what? If this stuff's working, I'm not going to worry about it. It's going to pass inspection, so I'm happy. But I mounted it right there. Right above it is the terminal for the battery. The battery is actually in the back of the truck. I'll show you what I did inside. Bam! Ran the wires in here. This is the, doesn't come with a box. All of the stuff is on here. Kind of looks like, pretty sure it's from China. Come from China. Put it on a magnet. So I just magnet it up there and bam, there you go. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's so obnoxious, but I love it. There you go, I installed a horn in my truck and it passed. They said doesn't matter what it is as long as it honks. Oh, this used to be a fire truck. That's why it has it on it, and I didn't need to lie. So tell me what you guys think. Stupid, awesome, whatever it is. Post down below, share, like, do all that jazz. Appreciate it. Bye.